Baldomero here today on a beautiful day. One more time, we're gonna do a quick install. I made myself a tiger sticker, a white tiger. I'm gonna get it put on my window and see how it comes out. I got my sticker set up already. I do have a black tiger on the other side of the window, so I figured this time I'd try a white tiger this time. Tigers are my favorite color, or my favorite animals. I grew up always loving tigers. Okay, so we got that put on. Peel away the transfer tape. Start around here at this corner here. Yeah, beautiful white kitty. I'll zoom in just a little closer so you can see the details. Kind of hard to see. The light's not that good. But over here on the other side is my black tiger. Which came out pretty good for my first try. And now we'll come around to the other side and see how the white one came out. Came out really awesome. Really pleased with that. Anyways, that's all I got for today. Hope everyone enjoyed the video. We'll see you in the next one.